All right, I got a stock pick here. Company ticker symbol CMP. So we're looking at the monthly chart here. You could see this company has come out back in December of 2003 and has risen all the way up and probably at at its highest area around October 2014, and then since then it's kind of been just a downward move. Now it looks like we hit a base down here on the monthly chart. We're getting a bounce here, so let's zoom in on the weekly now, see what it looks like. And you can see on the weekly, right here, you could see where it's bouncing around, and it kind of traded sideways, and now it's breaking above with increased volume over here. So the volume has started to coming in this area here, and then several months later, now it's picking up volume here. It's kind of died down right over here. Now going into the daily, you could see we have the volume picking up here. As far as the daily for a swing trade, it's been consolidating, and it could be a potential move back up here. So let's go down to the daily. It's anyway. All right, there we go. And as you can see here, we've got above average volume that I noticed here. Okay. My RSI setup is already turned from red to green, meaning that this could be set up for a potential up move now. And you can see the RSI 5 has dipped below the 50 mark, and it's coming out of there. And it practically dipped all the way down to the 30. Would have been nice if it dipped below 30, but it kind of like right on top of it, but that's still good enough. And then the bigger trend, the RSI 14, you could see it is right above the 50 at 59.07. Okay, so this one we have potential. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight this here. We're going to go and if it can close tomorrow before the end of the day above the high of this candle, that'll be great. Then put the stop. Let's check the stop here and see what kind of risk to reward. I haven't really done that. So we'll do this together. So we got 6% risk. Now, what I like to do is to get the reward is go to the regular ATR and plot in the ATR. Just turn that on and go with the 3 ATR. Sometimes we can get away with the 2 to 3. So that's kind of the 2 to 3 zone. Let's turn that off. So this is kind of the target area here. Preferably we get the 3 ATR if these see, this is a mineral chemical specialty company. If things continue to go up, then this will be a good candidate. And let's take a measurement of the kind of move we can expect. We could expect approximately 7.2 for the 2 ATR to be conservative, or 12% here. So not too bad, 2 to 1 risk reward. Otherwise, if you want to be a little more conservative, you could just put your stop if it closes below the bottom of this candle, the setup candle, as I call it, 5% to make 12% on this right here. So that's not too bad. So let's just change this to the stop loss to make sure it's easy to remember. That's our stop loss. This is going to be our entry, the buy. So buy if it closes above. And this is going to be our take profit zone right up here. Take profit. All right. And that's what I leave for you guys as a potential setup. Thanks a lot. Bye.